Now she went and put peppermint in the tomato patch. It's gonna take over the yard if we're not careful. I think that's a squash. Is that a squash, honey?
Yeah, that's zucchini.
Oh, zucchini.
Big, pretty green leaves.
This one over here and that one?
Mm-hmm.
And this one too. We got 2 zucchinis in this bed. We get
some beets.
Oh, beets. It's a little better. That's a beet too?
Yeah, that's a white beet.
Oh. Were they ready or did they need more time?
These are ready. You can get them, if they get bigger, they get kind of woody.
Oh yeah, you don't want them to be too woody.
Like this one is
Oh,
splitting.
that one's big.
Yeah, and it's splitting.
Oh yeah, no. Closing up there.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Cabbages are coming along real nice.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't want them to get too big because then...
It's a very nice one. I wonder how much we get for the store, that one. It's in there deep, man.
Gotta cut the stem so I don't take the roots out. That's a pretty cauliflower. Look at that. Here we go.
That's all right.
Nice.
That's a kohlrabi.
Yeah.
Check that thing out. That is awesome.
That's a nice one.
It's in there deep.
Yeah. Whew. Nice one.
Oh, wow. That's a kohlrabi, all right.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
What, a zucchini?
Yeah. When they're little, they're good to cook with, you know.
Sweet. 20-mile-an-hour winds today. And what do we do with those?
The leaves, we can't cook them, but I think I'll compost them.
Tomatoes. That's today's harvest for June 19th.
Today's harvest for June 19th.
Nice. We got all kinds of good stuff in there. That's pretty neat, man. All right. Very green, but we did it. That's pretty good haul, I think. Yeah.
All of this to chop up.
Yep.
Leaves, the cauliflower leaves.